Welcome to Best School Tips. In this video, I will show you how to customize lock screen on your Google Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and any other latest Pixel device running the Android 16 version. By default, when you lock your phone, you can see the lock screen clock style, lock screen app shortcut, or change the wallpaper. In the latest Android 16 version, you can see the lock screen shortcut for the widget also. So you can add or remove the widget on the lock screen. We already created this video for the Android 16 beta version. So you can check in the description or the I button to add widget to the lock screen on your latest Pixel devices. Now customize the lock screen. To customize the lock screen, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen on your Pixel 10 series. Tap on the wallpaper and style. Now here you can see set the home screen to swipe the screen to show the lock screen. Here you can see the all lock screen shortcut. First is the lock screen wallpaper. Now swipe the screen and you can see the wallpaper, lock screen clock style, lock screen app shortcut, notification on lock screen, and a more lock screen setting like now playing, privacy, and more. So let's see one by one all the Google Pixel 10 lock screen customization setting. So first option is the wallpaper. So tap on the wallpaper option on your Google Pixel device. If you have latest Google Pixel device like a Pixel 10 series or a Android 16 beta version on your Pixel device, you can see the new feature like a more photo, suggested photo, or wallpaper studio. So in wallpaper studio, you can see the live effect. Here you need to select the photo to apply the live effect like a weather effect, rain effect on your device. This is the only available on the Android 16. Here you can see different shape, weather effect, tap on a weather. Here you can select the fog, rain effect, snow effect, sun effect. So you can apply this effect to wallpaper on your device. Also create a AI wallpaper on your Pixel 10 series. Emoji workshop, create emoji wallpaper or by default available different wallpaper. This is the latest Pixel 10 wallpaper. You can see different category wallpaper, aura forms, or contours. So this is the different category. So select the any wallpaper you want to set on your Pixel 10 lock screen. So you can choose also from your gallery photo. But here we select the default photo like we select this photo on my device. Now tap on edit your photo, tap on it to edit the photo or adjust the position, scale and angle like on your device like this you want on your pixel device latest. After that tap on a top arrow icon, tap on a next button. Now here you can set lock screen or home screen. So we select the lock screen only. So tap on the apply button. Now set the wallpaper to your pixel device lock screen. Now after say apply the lock screen, tap on the clock option. Now select the lock screen clock style you want to set on your pixel device. So this is the all available clock style. So we select this clock style. Now tap on a clock color. Select the clock color you want to apply on your pixel 10 lock screen. So here we select this clock color on my phone and clock size. So when notification aren't visible. So when you receive notification, you can see this type of clock style on the lock screen or you can see this type. After set the clock style, tap on apply at the top right corner. Now tap on the shortcuts. Here you can set the left shortcut or right shortcut. By default, left shortcut set as a home. So here we select left shortcut as a torch and the right shortcut as the QR code scanner on my device. So we can quickly access this QR code and flashlight from the lock screen. Again, after set the lock screen left shortcut, tap on the apply at the top right corner. Now next one is the notification on lock screen. In the latest Android 16 version, you can see the only two option compact view. It means you can only show the app notification, not show the notification on the lock screen. If you want to show the full notification on the lock screen, select the full list option. So you can see the sender name also and message also on the lock screen. Or if you don't want to see the notification and only show the app icon to receive notification, select the compact view. At the bottom, you can see show view notification icons or show silent notification. So you can enable or disable it. If you want to turn off the lock screen notification, just toggle off it to hide the notification from the lock screen on your device. Next one is the more lock screen setting. Tap on it. Here you can see the add users from the lock screen. If you want to add a new user, if you want to give your phone to your friend or any family member, you can use this feature. Add text on the lock screen. Here you can enter your phone number or text message that will helpful if you lost your phone. So someone contact you using your lock screen contact number. So you can add any text or contact number that will helpful to contact you if you lost your phone. But here we enter only my channel name, Waste Useful Tips. Now tap on save. Next one is the use device control without unlocking your phone. So toggle on this option to use the device control without your phone. Shortcuts, we already select the left app shortcut or right shortcut on the lock screen. This is a dynamic clock size change according to lock screen content. So we already show it. When you show the full screen notification, you can see the small clock. This is a now playing feature. You can use this feature to identify the song playing the nearby your device. So it will automatically identify the song name and artist name playing the nearby on your lock screen. So you can set this now playing. And the last one is the when to show. So you can use this shortcut gesture to show the notification and other info on your lock screen. Just tap on the screen when you lock your phone or lift to check phone. So just lift your phone like this to show the notification available or any other info on your device. Also at the end you can see the wake screen for a notification. So whenever you receive any notification, automatically wake up your phone screen on your lock screen. So this is the all available lock screen settings or apply to your device. Now we go to lock screen and see the all changes we apply. Here you can see the lock screen, lock style change, lock screen wallpaper change, at the left shortcut and right shortcut, and at the bottom you can see we add the text or a mobile number you want to quickly identify or easily contact you if you lost your phone. So this is a very helpful information. This add text to the lock screen feature. So this is the all lock screen customization settings available for your Google Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and any other Pixel device running the Android 16 version. Here you can also access the widget on the lock screen option. This feature is only currently available in the Android 16 beta version. When officially Android 16 release, you can see the lock screen widget. We already create a video for the lock screen, how to access lock screen widget on your Pixel 9, Pixel 8 device running the Android 16 beta. You can check link in the description or I button at the top right corner. So check out this to add widget to lock screen. But in my this Pixel 10 device, I can't access lock screen widget. I swipe the screen from the right to left. So we need to enter into Android beta version or wait for the official Android 16 release on your device. So this is the all important lock screen customization settings you can apply to your Google Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and a Pixel 10 Pro Fold device or any other running Pixel device Android 16 beta version. That's it. Which one is your favorite lock screen customization setting? Please tell us in the comment box. Please like it, share it, and hype it if you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.